Hey folks, I'm just going to take you through optimizing a video that I've just uploaded to YouTube using TubeBuddy, which is an SEO tool, search engine optimization tool for your YouTube videos, folks. I have it integrated into my YouTube account here, and I'm just going to optimize this video I've just uploaded. I've given it a quick description here, and I've given it a title, and what I need to do then is just make it public, save any changes at this stage, and then go to it. Click on this little pencil at the SEO score where it is, click get started, and then what you're going to do, folks, is get the opportunity to find out the keyword what your video is about. In my case, affiliate marketing. Click start. So it's giving me a SEO score of 75 and it's telling me what's missing here. Yeah, so include your target keyword in the first 60 characters of the title. So I need to take affiliate marketing here, cut it off the end, take absolutely every little win away as a reward for your hard work. What I'll call the title again instead is in affiliate marketing, comma, take absolutely every little win away as reward for your hard work. So I've got the score for that one. I then have to look at the next bit of red writing is include partial matches of your target keyword in the description. So again, I've got a match here and I need to just put some more partial matches in here. So are you looking for a way to monetize your blog or social media presence? Using affiliate marketing. And there you go, it's bumped that one up and got rid of that bit of red writing. So everything in that first piece is done and optimized accordingly. Click next. Now we need to include tags, folks, to bump all these scores up. So we're looking at the highest scoring tags here, folks. So the first one obviously being affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing 2023, it's got a high score as well. Include your exact target keyword as the first tag. Add now. There we go. That's done. Include more relevant tags. Yeah, we can type in our own here and say Amazon. We can put affiliate marketing Pinterest in because I do use that as a traffic source. I'm looking to get our count just under 500 but close to 500. We can see there now, folks, that we have got the 100 SEO score, but we still got room for some more tags here, so we can continue on and add more just to give it a bit more reach. So 496, that's looking good. Let's click next. It is mentioning about a thumbnail here. I'll insert a thumbnail later because again, that's a good hook for an audience when they come and see your video thumbnail. So I'll just hit next at this stage, and yes, apply to my video now. Yep, and click save. If I then go back to my video on the desktop, refresh this, should be an SEO score of 100%. This may seem nothing. There you go, 100%. Everything's optimized to be found on the internet. So when people come and look for this, folks, they will find this video quite easily if that's what they're looking to find out about, affiliate marketing being the main keywords. So I leave this one with you, folks, and wish you all the best. Take care and good luck. Many thanks for watching and listening, folks. If you enjoy my channel, please feel free to like and subscribe or make a comment in the section below, and I look forward to seeing you back here again. Take care, all the best.